Welcome to Absolute ERP, customized software solutions, as per business requirement. In this video, we will show you how to add leads by manual option, add, new call, and we also cover CRM setting part with reports section. For adding a lead, first, you will go to Add New Call tab. As you see, on the right-hand side, there is Add New Call page. For adding a manual lead, you can follow these steps. First, put company name. Then, contact person name. Similar hand, mention email address and phone number. You can also mention requirement of client. Afterwards, mention expected lead amount and expected sale date. From these options, you will get sales forecasting report. That I will show you later. After, put source of your lead. These drop-down is coming on the basis of my backend. In CRM setting, I have added my lead sources like Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, LinkedIn. These kind of portals I have integrated with my CRM. After set the priority of your lead, such as hot, warm, and cold, according to your conversation with client. And it will impact on reports, on source-wise, and priority-wise reports. These are custom fields, PO number, and product name. You can create multiple custom fields according to your requirement. After select location of your lead with address. This is call level option. From here we can directly move to next level. It may be follow-up, demo, meeting, not interested. Even you can convert lead into a quotation, sales order, and invoices. From here, you also get reports, such as level-wise report. Once you put the follow-up, 15 minutes before, software will give you a notification as a reminder, or you can see the reminders in this bell icon option. At last, save this lead, and your lead has been created. Now, we show you the setting control of CRM. For it, you go to Settings tab. After, in CRM tab. On left side, you see options to manage CRM control. First, we will look through our CRM journal setting. From here, you can enable or disable country, city, and state option. And it will get impact at that time of lead creation page. Similar with your address option. You can enable or disable according to your requirement. Likewise, you can enable demo level by selecting yes or no. You can enable expected lead amount. Similar, you can enable expected sales date. You can also enable required field validator on company name. From here, you can control duplicacy on company name by enable this option. Similar, you can put field validator on email. Control duplicacy on email also. After, you put field validator on mobile numbers, and you able to control duplicacy on mobile number as well. From here, you can enable duplicacy control on mobile number at the time of upload call or bulk upload through Excel file. Through this, you enable dynamic call status in CRM. Here, you can integrate your website by providing an API after your all potential leads will automatically capture in our CRM. Apart from website, you able to integrate your multiple sources such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google Ads. By API, we will integrate these sources in our CRM. Second one is lead status. From here, you can create your multiple lead status by put name. After define it against of, it will be follow-up and order expected date. You can select After, add, and your status has been created. Along with, end of the day, you will get separate report, such as call status wise report, to track your leads against of your status. This is manage lead sources. From here, you can add your multiple lead sources, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google Ads. In manage priorities, you can classify your priorities like hot, warm, cold. This is manage lost reason. From here, you can create your lost leads reasons. In the report section, in lost opportunity, you will see the impact. And you can also add custom fields according to you by go to new custom field. After, put label name, data type. If it is mandatory, select where you want to show it, like on PDF. On what position, you will define accordingly. Save it, and your custom field has been created. Let's move to CRM reports part. This is source-wise lead report. From which source, what is the status of your lead, you can see. You can change the date filter. Accordingly, data has been changed after you can see from which source what the status of your leads. Next is priority-wise report. By using different filter methods, you can categorize your leads. Filters like country, state, city, your multiple sources. You can also change data according to particular date filters. Your call status, and, if you are team leader, you can see your team members' data by selecting their name. Below, you can see all your lead status against of your multiple priorities. Next is level-wise report. You can use multiple filters and categorize your leads. From here, you can see all the lead status according to your defined levels, like follow-up, meeting, dictation, sales, invoice, and untouched. From untouched, you are able to see your leads that have not updated. And from here, you can see the brief of their credentials by clicking on number, and it will show you brief details. You can also export it into Excel format of the details. After, this is call status-wise report. You are able to select your priority filter and change the data. Here, you can see brief of your leads against of your defined status. From here, you are able to see the history of your leads also. Next is employee-wise lead report. From here, you can see the status of your assigned leads against of your employees. As you can see, the level of leads on follow-up, meeting, quotation, sales, invoice, not interested, demo, untouched. From untouched, you are able to see which of your lead is pending against of which employee to update over it, and all these numbers is clickable. You click over it and get a brief of their status. After, source-wise sales report. This report present you from which source, what is the conversion of your lead into sales order. Following, this is daily sales report. From here, you can see your salesperson's daily status of sales order creation. You click on this number and get brief of sales. What is the status of your payment of client, and you can download these details into Excel format by clicking on Excel tab. This is daily invoice reports. Here you can see your employees who have created invoice on daily basis, amount of invoice, and you get a brief of invoice details. Next is sales forecast reports. You can get this report against of expected lead amount and expected sales date, as I already shown you at the time of lead creation. Below, you see your employee's name, number of sales, what is sales amount, progress amount, and these all tabs is clickable. It will redirect you on particular pages. This one is Employees Wise Lead Status. Here you can see your lead status against of your particular employees on multiple levels, such as follow-up, meeting, quotation sent, sales, invoice, not interested, demo, untouched. This is employee-wise quotation status. From this report, you can classify your quotations on multiple reason creation. I already shown you through lost reason in CRM control. At last, lost opportunity report. Through this report, you able to track your all lost leads, percentage of lost leads, reasons of lost, as why. By using filters above, you can classify your data in multiple ways. You can see your team members lost leads. You can see individual sources lost data. You can change your data by your defined lost reasons. You also change the data by selecting particular month and year and search. After, export all the data into one click in Excel format. Today, we learned to add lead by manual option with We Understand CRM control, and we look through reports parts. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, you stay tuned with us.